Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Blackstone's pizza oven with AmazingRibs.com's Dave Uwackum. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here we have Blackstone's pizza oven with stand. Nice unit. The oven can be removed from the stand, but the stand does come with it. A cool thing in here is that the oven comes with a motorized rotating pizza stone on the bottom and a stationary pizza stone on the top, which helps deliver heat to the top of the pizza. There's one 16,000 BTU burner on the right-hand side. This cover, which comes with it, is only supposed to be used for storage and not while it's hot. This is the on-off switch for rotating the bottom pizza stone. This is the battery-operated ignition, and then the burner control knob. As mentioned, the oven can be removed from the base and placed on a tabletop. The stand has 4 locking casters. It comes with a pizza peel. You can hang it on either side, depending on whether you're a lefty or a righty. Then on the back, you can see the base for your propane tank. And the regulator knob can be adjusted, making it a secondary temperature control knob. This wire is a power cord for the motor that turns the pizza stone. And that is essentially the entire oven. The Blackstone pizza oven with stand. Pizza time! Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.